If you are an NRI, managing your income in India and abroad can be quite complicated as you primarily earn in foreign currency, but at the same time, you might be having some source of income here in India like rent, dividend, any other professional income as well. On top of that, you have to deal with multiple regulations like taxation rules, repatriation norms, as well as banking regulations. To solve this particular issue, Indian banking system offers two specific types of accounts for NRIs, that is NRE account and NRO account. Hi, I am CA Ayush Bhatt, and in this video I will tell you all the details you need to know about NRE account, NRO account, what are the specific use cases and what are the key differences. Let us start with NRE account. NRE stands for non-resident external account. This account is primarily used for transferring your foreign income. All the deposits you make into this account must be from your foreign income and in foreign currency. On the date of deposit, your foreign currency will be converted into INR at the prevailing rate. For example, अगर आपको 15,000 dirhams का SIP करना है in Indian mutual funds and the SIP date is 7th of every month, you may consider converting your AED into INR on 5th of every month. जो भी प्रीमियरिंग रेट होगा on 5th day of the month वो आपको एप्लीकेबल होगा एंड आपके AED वो रेट पे कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे into INR. You can open a NRE account in form of current account, saving account, fixed deposits account, or even a recurring deposit account. You can hold this account jointly with another NRI or can be held individually. The major plus point of having a NRE account is that जो भी आपका interest income होगा वो completely tax free रहेगा and there are no repatriation restrictions as well. You can repatriate this money back to your home country whenever you wish to. So ideally, NRE account को long term investment के लिए यूज करना चाहिए. Now, let us talk about NRO account. NRO stands for non-resident ordinary account. Mainly, ये account आप यूज कर सकते हो for depositing your Indian income. That is, rental income हो गई, dividend हो गया, professional income अगर आपकी कोई है तो वो deposit कर सकते हो, or even sales proceeds of your Indian assets can be deposited in this particular account. Unlike NRE account, जो भी interest आपको generate होगा on your NRO account will be taxable in India. And there are some repatriation limitations as well. Maximum limit of repatriating your money from India to outside is $1 million per financial year, and that too with certain restrictions. आपका NRO account आप individually तो hold कर ही सकते हो, but you can also hold it jointly with another resident in India. Now, let me break down the key differences of NRE account and NRO account for you in simplest possible way. First, NRE account is used only for depositing your foreign income, while NRO account में आप foreign income as well as Indian income को deposit कर सकते हो. Secondly, in NRE account there is no repatriation restrictions, while in NRO account there is a maximum cap of $1 million per financial year, that too with certain restrictions and conditions. Thirdly, it comes to joint holding. NRE account can be held jointly with another NRI only, while your NRO account can be held jointly with a resident Indian as well. Fourth and most important difference is interest earned in NRE account is tax-free in India, while interest earned on your NRO deposits is completely taxable here in India. Now, let me share a practical insight with you. अगर आप इंडिया आ रहे हो and the question that you are having is कि मैं कौन से अकाउंट से मेरे एक्सपेंसेस मैनेज करूँ, the answer would be from your NRO account as this account contains some restrictions. While if the question is I want to invest in India for a longer term, मैं पैसा कौन से अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करूँ, I have the money ready in my foreign denominated account, the answer would be you should transfer it to NRE account as there is no repatriation restriction. If you want to take this money out of India, आप कभी भी वो कर सकते हो. So, the entire discussion is not NRE versus NRO account. The discussion is NRO account कब use करना चाहिए and NRE account कब use करना चाहिए. If you found this video informative, do share it with your NRI friends, do give it a like and follow us for more such insightful videos.